Omar is ready to build his full filter factory. Wand Thiel Bead Wayne Factory. He knows the whole market needs, not only automotive filters.
Boss, do you want to run all 3 lines at the same time? Exactly. I want to build a real, complete filter factory from the very beginning. But every supplier only cares about selling their own machine. Materials missing quotes, Nupgain Quilsabount, all separate quotes have huge missing parts that no one takes full responsibility. Wait. Who will be responsible for the entire factory? This is the biggest risk. Separate machines never become a working complete factory. You will face huge operation chaos even before your production starts. Hi, I have your complete solution right here. Can your PLM system handle several different production lines at the same time?
Absolutely, that's exactly what we are designed for.
PLM does not sell single machines. We deliver entire turnkey factory. Denning the Palger as in turnkey factory, and going ins lek piaboli modals another wary stanance.
You get all lines ready now, with reserved space for your future expansion.
We optimize all shared processes, zero wasted space. And that wouldn't matter we need sharing papes.
Close. The mater wanted perts the polyection. All raw materials and tooling are pre-matched before your production even starts.
We arrange every step of layout and delivery schedule, zero delay, zero unknowns. Zero delay unknowns.
Now, I finally see the full clear path to build my filter factory.
PLM is not selling machines. We help you build one full working factory.
Next episode, we show you how PLM execute the full plan step by step.